Next thing we're going to use this for is we're going to get after our hip flexor. So we're going right to this area. It's a large portion here, so we're going to go a little lower onto our quad than we're probably used to. Working through that whole angle. The other option would be to utilize the lacrosse ball. This is a little more pinpoint, but again, shooting right into here. So not central, a little off to the side. We're going to go right into there, lay on top of that. You're able to get more of your body weight with this, and you're also able to be a little more pinpoint, right? So you can find different aspects, but again, bring that leg up, take the muscle through its actual kind of mechanism of function there. So it's externally rotating that foot. Work back and forth, trying to get that whole area. So that's how you utilize either the foam roller or lacrosse ball to get after the hip flexors.